Hey Sarah, I'm back with another tutorial, and this one is going to be a super fast, easy tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make restaurant style sweet and sour sauce. And I know you're thinking, it's probably going to be one of those ketchup based weird ones that I've tried before, but no, it's not. It is super duper easy. You only need 4 ingredients to make it. And it tastes just like the restaurants, and it's so good, and you will not regret trying this recipe. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Okay, so for making this super easy sweet and sour sauce, I swear it's super easy. It tastes just like the restaurants, and it's so good, and it doesn't contain ketchup. Right here I have a half a cup of water mixed with a half a cup of pineapple juice. I have pineapples. I have 1/4 cup of vinegar, and in case it's not sour enough, I have 1/8 a cup of vinegar. I have 1/4 cup of cornstarch and red food coloring, and then I have some bell peppers and some green onions. So I'm going to do just the base sauce first, in case you like it just as a dipping sauce, and then if you like it to go with like sweet and sour pork and have it more as a sweet and sour pineapple pepper sauce, then I'm going to show that way too. So let's get cooking. Okay, so you're going to want to start your pan out on a really like medium heat. You don't want it super hot, that's for sure. And I'm going to add my liquids first. Oh, I forgot to add in the ingredients, you also need a cup of, or not a cup, a half a cup of sugar. I'm so sorry, I forgot to mention that part. So I'm going to get my half a cup of sugar and be right back. Okay, so here's my half a cup of sugar. It was a little over because my thing was all sticky. So I'm just going to start stirring this down until the sugar is all melted, and I'll be right back. While you're waiting for your juice part to warm up, you want to mix just a little bit of water with your cornstarch so you can add it to your sugary mixture without it being all clumpy and yucky. So I'm getting that prepared now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's my cornstarch water, and I'm just going to add it to my juice. And I'm going to consistently stir this until it starts getting thick, which it starts getting thick pretty fast. So you can see it's starting to thicken up. It thickens. Once it starts thickening up, it really starts thickening up, like really fast. So I'm going to add my food coloring, which is a 1/4 teaspoon. And you're just going to stir really well. Okay, so our sweet and sour sauce is done. That was like really simple and easy, right? And it tastes just like the restaurant. Like what they give you for dipping sauce and everything. Oh my god. It is so good. So if you like it just this way, then you can stop watching. But I'm going to continue with how to make the sweet and sour pineapple pepper sauce, and I will be right back. Alright, so now that I've seeded my bell peppers, I'm only going to be using half because I'm using the other half for the rest of my dinner tonight. But you just want to cut them in nice little strips. And then, sorry, my chopping board keeps flopping around. It's hard. And then I'm going to scoot these over because I want to do like a pretty cut on my sauce so the veggies look nice and appealing. I don't know if I'm pulling that off. But I'm just doing a sideways chop. It's hard when your cutting board's moving all over the place. I think I pulled it off alright. Alright, so my other ones, I'm going to cut them a little bit bigger. I'll be back. Alright, so my bell peppers are all chopped, And I know traditionally they put white onion in sauce, but I'm going to be using green onions because personally I just like them better. So you can use white onion if you want, but I'm going to be using green onions. And already washed. I'm just going to cut them sideways, if my knife will agree with me this time. I'm only going to cut one because these are like crazy large green beans. Or green beans. Have I been saying green beans this whole time? I meant green onions. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. Oh well, I'm not going to take it out because that's just me. Okay, so we have our veggies ready to saute, which we're only going to saute them on a really, really high heat for about 3 minutes. So I will be back with my pan and my EVOO in the pan on high. Okay, we are back and our pan is on high with a tablespoon of olive oil. And the reason I want it on high is because I want to get some good color on these fast and not overcook them. Because we're only going to cook them for about 3 minutes. So just let them sit, maybe flip them around in about 1 minute, and don't cook them any more than 3 minutes. And we'll be right back. I think somebody stole my sea salt from me, so I'm just going to sprinkle some garlic salt in there. Alright, let those get a little color on them. I still want them to get a little more color, so I'm going to cook them a little longer. So my veggies got as much color on them as they will without extremely overcooking them. So I'm just going to add them to my sweet and sour sauce, which as you can tell, I made extra because, yeah, I have a big family. But yeah, you just want to mix it all in there, and it really helps to make this ahead of time before dinner, I think anyways, because then all the veggies can put out their flavors and stuff, and it comes out really, really good. So I'm just going to taste it really fast. See if it tastes the way I did it. Super yum. Definitely give this a try. I will be back with my next video on what I'm going to do with this sauce. So come back to see my next video when I upload it. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.